Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you the numerical portion of aggregate demand, aggregate supply related concept and multiplier, investment multiplier numericals I will teach you. It means I will teach you the numerical of short on equilibrium output. So let us start with formulas. Chapter 7, aggregate demand, aggregate supply, and related concepts. Firstly, I will tell you the formulas. First formula is APC. APC means average propensity to consume. It means C upon Y. You know about this thing. C means consumption and Y means income. Second formula is APS. APS is equal to S upon Y. S means saving, Y means income. Third is MPC. MPC means marginal propensity to consume. I already told you when marginal word will come, that means you have to show the changes. So MPC is equal to delta C upon delta Y. Delta C means change in consumption, delta Y means change in income. Next formula I have MPS. MPS is equal to delta S upon delta Y. Delta S it means change in saving and delta Y it means change in income. Next formula APC plus APS is equal to 1. You know this thing, we already proved by the theorem or we already proved by the form. MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. So I can prove it also, but after that I will rub APC is equal to C upon Y and APS is equal to S upon Y. Y is the LCM, C plus S. We know this thing कि Y and AS are identical to each other and Y we can denote C plus S. So it means C plus S is equal to Y. It will be cut. It means it is equal to 1. The same we can prove delta C upon delta Y plus delta S, delta Y, delta C plus delta S, delta Y upon delta Y. It means value will come equal to 1. We know this thing, MPC is equal to delta C upon my delta Y. MPS is equal to delta S upon my delta Y. I will take the LCM delta Y. Delta C plus delta S will be added. It means it will be equal to delta Y. Delta Y will be cut by the delta Y and the value will be equal to 1. The next formulas you can make APC is equal to 1 minus APS. Next APS is equal to 1 minus APC. Next MPC is equal to 1 minus MPS. Next last MPS is equal to 1 minus MPC. These are the formula to find the numerical portion of this chapter. And some places when you have to find AD, some places you have to find AD. How will you find? We know this thing, AD is equal to C plus I. AD is equal to C plus I. I will tell you more by rubbing this. Investment. In government places, investment will be autonomous. So AD is equal to C plus I. We know this thing, investment will be autonomous there. Autonomous, it means it will remain constant. That's why. And C, consumption function. C is equal to C bar MPC into my Y. C bar means autonomous consumption, that is zero level consumption. MPC, you know, delta C upon delta Y, and Y means level of income. And in S function formula is delta S plus MPS into my Y. So MPS I can write like this S bar, but now rule has been changed, we are writing by this. अब हम इसे ऐसे लिखते हैं minus C bar. Minus C bar means when income is 0, consumption is 20. It means this is autonomous consumption, saving will be minus 20. अगर आपकी इनकम क्या थी, 0 थी, आपने कुछ कंज्यूम किया तो आपकी सेविंग क्या हो गई, 0 minus 20, दैट इज minus 20. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट. वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस. हम इसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 1 minus MPC. 1 minus MPS is there, 1 minus MPC. सॉरी बेटा. और some places it is denoted by B also. Slope of consumption. It means it can be denoted by this. So I am telling you that is a slope of C line, or in MPS that is a slope of S line. Now next numerical portion I will start now. Firstly, I am taking the question, then I will solve. Numerical is income is given. Income is 0, 50, 100, 150. Income is 0, 50, 100, 150. Then one more 200. Saving is given. Saving is given. The saving is minus 20, minus 10, 0, 30, 60. Minus 20, minus 10, 0, 30 and 60. We know this thing कि Y it means income minus consumption is equal to saving. जब हम इनकम में से क्या करते हैं, कंजम्पशन माइनस करते हैं, तो व्हाट विल कम, सेविंग विल कम. क्या आ जाता है, सेविंग आ जाता है. तो नाउ सेविंग इज गिवन. अब हमें क्या गिवन है, सेविंग गिवन है. तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू फाइंड द सी मीन्स कंजम्पशन. अब हमें क्या फाइंड करनी है, कंजम्पशन फाइंड करनी है. फर्स्टली आई विल मेक द फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड कंजम्पशन. कंजम्पशन फॉर्मूला इज दिस इज माइनस, this is S, Y will be minus. What I will do, I can make it in a mathematical way, that is, it means Y minus S. What it will be, Y minus S. You can write simply also. आप इसे simply भी लिख सकते हो. I did here by the mathematical way. I have taken firstly minus, 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 plus. That's why I have taken, and minus, minus, plus. ओके बेटा, माइनस प्लस माइनस. दिस इज माइनस आई हैव टेकन एज अ कॉमन. अगर मैं बाहर माइनस कॉमन ले लूँगी, एस प्लस का है, इट मीन्स माइनस एस. और दिस इज अ माइनस, ये क्या है, माइनस माइनस, माइनस विल कम प्लस माइनस माइनस. ओके बेटा, यू नो द रूल. अदरवाइज यू कैन राइट इट सिंपली. फॉर्मूला ऑफ सेविंग इज वाई माइनस सी. अगर मैं क्या करूँगी, माइनस कर दूँगी, इनकम में से कंजम्पशन माइनस करूँगी तो क्या आ जाएगी, सेविंग. और इफ आई नीड कंजम्पशन, y माइनस एस, इनकम में से सेविंग माइनस करूंगी तो बट इट विल कम कंजम्पशन. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट. आई हैव 0 इनकम एंड सेविंग इज minus 20. इट मीन्स कंजम्पशन विल बी ऑटोनॉमियस, दैट इज 20. व्हाट हैपन्स, अब क्या होगा, इनकम कितनी है मेरे पास, 50 एंड सेविंग इज minus 10. इट मीन्स कंजम्पशन इज 50 minus minus plus, that is 60. Next, सेविंग इज 0, इट मीन्स 100 विल बी कंजम्पशन. सारी की सारी क्या कर ली हमने, कंज्यूम कर ली. नेक्स्ट 150 माइनस 30, इट विल बी 120. 200 minus 60, that is 140. Now the next step what we have to find, हमें find क्या करना है, consumption is 20, 60, 100, 120 and 140. Now we have to find MPC and APC. Let us start. MPC and APC. Firstly I will apply the formula, that is with me. APC, APC means C upon Y, and MPC, that is delta C upon delta Y. So let us start. C upon Y. C 20 upon 0. When anything divided by 100, it means that is initial. Initial in the sense we can say blank. Then what I will do, C upon में Y, 60 upon 50, that means 60 upon 50, that will be 1.2. Next 100 upon 100, that is 1. Next 120 upon 150, that is 0.8. Next 140 upon 200, that is 0.7. You will see the value of APC, that is 1.2, 1, 0.8 and 0.7. Now what I have to do? Now I have to find MPC. Let us start. Delta C upon delta Y. Show the changes. Changes is here. पहले कितना था 20, now it is 60. First will be initial, delta, delta means change. तो यहाँ change कितना आया, that is 40 upon change in income, that is 50. आगे आंसर, it will be 0.8. Next change 100 minus 60, that is 40 upon 50, it means 0.8. Next 120, consumption, change in consumption, that is 120 upon 120, that is okay. The slope is 120 minus 100, that is 20 upon 50, that is 0.4. The next I will take 20 upon 50, that is 0.4. This is the method to find APC, MPC. If APS will come, suppose APS will come, अगर APS आ जाता है, what you have to do? You can find it with the two ways. दो तरीके हैं इसे find करने के. First, you can apply the formula. APS formula is S upon Y. आप S upon Y भी apply कर सकते हो. S minus 20 upon 0. और you can apply next formula also. आप दूसरा formula भी apply कर सकते हो. APC plus APS is equal to 1. APC plus APS is equal to 1. तो APC is 1.2. APS, how will you find APS? APS is equal to 1 minus 1.2. It means minus 0.2. So by formula you will apply. How will you find? Find it. Minus 10 upon 50. You will find 0 minus 0.2, or by this formula you will find the same, you will find, that is minus 0.2. Next, APC plus APS is equal to 1. This is 1, APS 1, it means 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So I will find, मैं इसे यहाँ find करती हूँ according to second formula. Let us try. This is saving. What is the saving? Saving S income 0, 0 upon 100. If numerator is 0, it means that will be 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. The next you will apply APS. APS same, S upon में Y, S अपॉन में y 30 अपॉन में 150, 30 upon 150, that is 1/5. It means what is 0.2. If I will find it, APC plus APS is equal to 1. APC it means 0.8 and APS that will be 0.2. So I will apply APC 0.8, APS is equal to 1, APS is equal to 1 minus 0.8, that will be 0.2. The last I have 60 upon 200, 60 upon 200, that will be 0.3. अगर मैं इसे यहाँ अप्लाई करती हूँ तो दिस विल बी 0.3. ओके बेटा, यू कैन फाइंड इट इजीली. द नेक्स्ट, इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड MPS, अगर आपको MPS फाइंड करना है, द सेम प्रोसीजर यू विल अप्लाई, द फॉर्मूला you can apply, that is MPS. Formula is, two formulas we have, one delta S upon delta Y, or second formula 1 minus MPC. Which you want to apply, you can apply. So let us start. If you will find delta S, how will you find? Minus 10, first initial, minus 10 minus 20. It means this will be plus 20 and 10. The formula is MPC, MPS it means delta S upon my delta Y. Delta Y will be 0, 50 minus 0, it means it will be 50. It means 0.2. If I will add MPC plus MPS, value will be equal to 1. MPC that is 0.8 and MPS 1 minus 0.8. The next you can do it easily. Next you will find that is 0.2, next 0.6 and next 0.6, because you know this thing, MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. By this if you want to, so how will you do? 0 minus 10, it means 0 plus 10, it means change in savings, that is 10, and change in income, that is 50. 10 upon 50 you will find 0.2. From these you can apply one method which you want to apply. The next question I am going to write on the board, after that we will solve that question. The next question is, given below the consumption function is C is equal to 100 plus 0.55. It means this is 100, that is autonomous consumption. It means at a 0 level income that consumption will be there. 0.5 that is MPC. MPC means delta C upon delta Y and Y means level of income. So let us start. What is our question? With the help of numerical examples, show that economy as income increases, जैसे ही income बढ़ती है APC will decrease, जो APC है वो क्या हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है. तो I will take two example of this. First I will take Y1 is equal to 1500 and Y2 is equal to 2000. It means firstly I am taking level of income 1500, secondly I am taking level of income as what, 2000. So I will put when level of income, जब level of income कितना है 1500, तो what it will be, क्या होगा, you will find the consumption 100 plus 0.5, level of income is 1500. I am going to put consumption. You will find now 100 plus 150 multiply, this will be 850. Now you will find APC by this. आप APC को find कीजिए. APC will be 850. Formula is C upon Y. 850 upon level of income. Level of income I have taken 1500. It means you will get 17 by 30, or if you will find 0.56, I think. Five, 6. Next, if I will put the value of income 2000, so let us start when level of income is rupees 2000, C is equal to 100 plus 0.5 and level of income I will put 2000. It means C, what it will be the C? C कितना होगा? 5 multiply, point will be removed. 200 multiply 5, that will be 1000. It means 1100. I will find APC. Formula C upon Y. C we have 1100 and Y we have 2000. Now I will find 11 upon 20. 0.5, sorry, 11 it will be 0.55. So you will see this thing as the economy as income increase, APC will decrease. अगर हम इसे ध्यान से देखें तो it will be improve कि जब this is 0.57 and this is 0.55. When the level of income increase, जब level of income जो है वो बढ़ रहा है, कितना हो रहा है 1500 से 2000, but the value of APC means average propensity to consume, वो क्या हो रही है? Decrease हो रही है. You can prove it with the help of example. Okay बेटा, I hope now you can solve this question easily. Now next chapter, that is short run equilibrium output. Firstly I will tell you the formulas of these chapter. I already explained to you when it came in the form of concept. When I taught you the concept, you already done. We know this thing. At equilibrium level, planned AD is equal to planned AS and planned investment is equal to planned saving. And we know this thing, हमें ये चीज़ भी पता है, AD is equal to C plus में I, or we can write C bar plus MPC Y plus जो investment है वो क्या रहेगी? That will be autonomous investment. Next K is equal to 1 upon में 1 minus MPC. Next K is equal to 1 upon में MPS. This is OR and OR. Next, depends upon the content what you have to given. Delta Y upon delta I. This multiplier is known as investment multiplier because it is based on investment. क्योंकि किस पर based होता है? Investment पर based होता है. Okay बेटा? By these formulas you will solve the question. So let us start. What they have given? Equilibrium S and equilibrium I. numerical is when y means income is given, that is 4400. Next, MPC means marginal propensity to consume, that is given 0.75, and one item is given more, C bar is equal to 100. Now what do you have to do? आपको करना क्या है? You have to show equilibrium S and equilibrium I. It means you have to show S and I are equal. It means saving and investments are equal, and we know this thing, Y is equal to C plus I. अब ये कैसे आया Y is equal to C plus I? Y, we know that AS, it means aggregate supply and income are identical to each other, and we know this thing, that is AD is equal to C plus में I. Now what I have to do, अब मुझे करना क्या है? I have to find S and I have to find I. तो let us start. Firstly I will find S. अगर मैं S find करती हूँ, it means minus C bar plus MPS into में Y. तो I will take minus C bar. जब आपकी income क्या है? 0 है, income is 0. It means consumption is 100, that is autonomous consumption. Savings will be negative, minus 100. So I will put this, what is given? C bar is given 100, it means savings will be negative. MPC is given 0.75, so MPS 1 minus MPC, that is 1 minus 0.75, that is 0.25. So I will put 0.25, level of income is given 4400. So let us solve. 25 point will remove by taking 100. Here we have minus 100 plus. Now what you have to do? You will multiply it, that will be 1100. 1100 and it will be the 1000. अब सेविंग कितनी आ गई आपके पास? 1000. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू शो इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑल्सो. आपको क्या निकालनी है? इन्वेस्टमेंट भी निकालनी है. इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर्मूला वी हैव y इज इक्वल टू सी प्लस आई. अगर मुझे क्या निकालना है? इन्वेस्टमेंट निकालना है तो y माइनस सी. y आई हैव, y मेरे पास है, व्हाट 4400. अब मुझे क्या निकालना है? c. c मीन्स कंजम्पशन. वी नो द इक्वेशन ऑफ c. c बार MPC into level of income. C bar means consumption autonomous, that is 100. MPC कितना है बेटा? 0.75 upon 100 point will remove level of income. I have 4400. 25 3 the 25 4 the. It means here I will get 3400. Now you can find it easily. Income I have 4400 and consumption I have 3400. It means investment will be equal. It means saving and investment will be equal. This is equilibrium approach. Alternative you can use also. Alternative approach, you know y is equal to c plus में s. You can find it. आप इस मेथड से भी जो है वो फाइंड कर सकते हो. Next question I have, given that S means S line you have to given. Equation of S line is minus C bar plus MPS into Y. But here statement is given, S is equal to minus 25 plus, what I have to given? 0.5y. 0.5y. It means this is negative saving. When income level is 0, some consumption will be there, savings will be negative because you will withdraw from your past savings. 0.5, that is MPC. Y means level of income. 0.5, that is MPS. If C is given, it means MPC. If S is given, it means MPS. And one more we have to given, I is equal to 5000. I means investment, that is 5000. Now what I have to do? अब मुझे करना क्या है? Find the equilibrium level of Y and C. अब मुझे क्या करना है? Equilibrium level of Y एंड सी, यानी कि मुझे इनकम और कंजम्पशन जो है वो क्या करनी है, फाइंड करनी है। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट। वी नो दिस थिंग, हमें ये चीज़ पता है। एट इक्विलिब्रियम, इन इक्विलिब्रियम, अगर हम इक्विलिब्रियम की बात करें तो इक्विलिब्रियम में क्या हो जाएगा, S इज इक्वल टू I। वी नो प्लान्ड AD इज इक्वल टू प्लान्ड AS, प्लान्ड savings is equal to planned investments. We know this thing. So let us start. I will put the value of saving minus 25 plus 0.5y is equal to what I have to do, investment. Investment कितनी है बेटा, I have 5000 investment. So I will find 0.5y 5000 and here minus 25. What it will be, वहाँ पर जाकर ये किसका हो जाएगा, प्लस। So let us, this is 5025 upon what I have 0.5. So I will remove the point and I will find 5 to the 10. So how I will get? I will get 10,050. What is this? This is the इनकम। इनकम कितनी आ जाएगी, 10,050। नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, अब मुझे और क्या निकालना है, आई हैव टू फाइंड द कंजम्पशन। इनकम आ गई, व्हाट इट विल बी द इनकम, दैट इज रुपीज 10,050। अब मुझे क्या निकालना है, आई हैव टू फाइंड द कंजम्पशन। अब मैं कैसे निकालूंगी, कंजम्पशन निकालूंगी। तो व्हाट विल बी द कंजम्पशन, कंजम्पशन जो है वो कितनी आएगी, यू कैन फाइंड इट बाय सो मेनी मैथड्स। इसके बहुत सारे मैथड्स जो हैं आप इसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं। वी नो दिस थिंग, द इक्विलिब्रियम लेवल, हमें पता है जो इक्विलिब्रियम लेवल है वो क्या है, AS इज इक्वल टू AD। एट इक्विलिब्रियम AD, AS इज व्हाट इट इज, Y, AD C plus I। तो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल पुट द वैल्यू Y I हैव, Y कितना है मेरे पास, 10,050। okay, consumption I have to find, consumption plus investment I have 5,000. It means consumption will be 10,050 minus 5,000. It means it will be 50 and 50. One more method you can apply, एक और method भी जो है वो apply कर सकते हो। What we have, we know the C line equation, C is equal to C bar plus MPC into में Y। I know C bar, C bar मेरा कितना होगा 25 and I know MPC, if MPS is 0.5, MPC will be 0.5 and level of income I already find, that is 10,050. तो I will remove the point, मैं यहाँ से point जो है वो हटा दूंगी, this will be, तो what I will do, I will get the value 525 5025. I will get by solving this. Add 25. It means that is 5025. It means 5050. This is required answer. You can find it. Next question I have. When C is given, C means complete equation is given. Consumption function is given. C, we know C bar plus MPC into में Y. We know this thing, हमें ये बात पता है। तो we will solve it accordingly. The statement is given, C is equal to 400 plus 0.9Y. It means this is autonomous consumption, this is MPC, this is C bar, this is MPC and this is level of income. You know this thing. And one more I have to given, I means investment. Investment. We know, we denote it by I, that is investment given 4,000. Now what I have to do, we have to complete the statement first. In statement they ask from you, find equilibrium level of Y and S and C at a equilibrium level of Y. Firstly you have to find equilibrium level of Y. आपको क्या find करना है, equilibrium level किसका, Y का। और second you have to find S and C. S means saving and C means consumption you have to find. Now you will apply the formula. आप अपना formula जो है वो apply करेंगे. What is the formula? You know, जो formula आपको पहले सिखाया है, at the equilibrium level you know AD is equal to AS. You know this thing. तो we know AS aggregate supply. These are identical to each other, AS and Y, and AD C plus I. So I will write AD is equal to C plus I. So let us start. This is Y. C I have 400 plus 0.9Y plus investment I have 4000. What I will do? Y minus 0.9Y 4000 plus 400, this is 4400, and what I will do? I will get 0.1 Y. 4400 Y is equal to 4400 upon 0.1 into may 10. Point will remove because 10 I have taken. It means the level of income will be 44,000. This is the level of income. So what I have to do? My first part is completed. In second part I have to find S and C. S means saving and C means consumption. Consumption equation I have, that is C 400 plus 0.9Y. When I will put the value level of income over there, I can find C easily. तो मुझे C जो है वो easily मिल जाएगा. Level of income I have 44,000. I will remove the point and this it will be 400 plus 90. This will be 40,000. तो consumption कितनी हो गई? 40,000. Next is C, saving. If I will take the equilibrium level, at equilibrium level I know S and I are equal. At equilibrium level I know S and I are equal. If investment is 4,000, saving is equal to 4,000. Or you can know, you know this thing कि Y is equal to C plus SB जो है वो होता है. तो Y I have 44,000. Consumption I have what? 40,000. So saving will be the 4,000. You can find it by any method you can apply, any method you can use, which is easy for you, you will use, but you have to keep it in your mind the approaches. That is AD is equal to AS or S is equal to I. It means aggregate supply. Planned AD is equal to planned AS, and S means saving and I means investment. That is equal approach. So 2 questions are left. Now I will start that 2 questions. After that I will send you the PDF and you will solve that unsolved question in your notebook. So let us start. In an economy, government makes some additional investment. एक economy में additional investment जो है वो की गई. Additional investment means you can denote it by delta I. कितनी है? How much it is? It is find the value. MPC is equal to 0.5 and increase in income 1000. That you have to find. MPC is equal to 0.5. MPC कितना है? 0.5. Investment you have to find and additional income you got. कितनी additional income get की आपने? Rupees 1000 crore. This is the question. What you have to do? You have to find. आपको find करना है कि कितनी investment जो है वो की गई होगी. तो let us start. K is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus MPC. 1 minus MPC. It means this is I will get, will remove 2 I will get. So K is equal to delta Y upon delta I. So let us start. The value of K is 2. Delta Y. कितनी income जो है वो increase हुई? That is 1000 crore. It means how much invested, कितना invest किया गया होगा? That will be, I find delta I. It means 1000 upon 2. It means 500 करोड़ हैज़ बीन इन्वेस्टेड, इतना जो है वो मनी क्या किया गया होगा, इन्वेस्ट किया गया होगा। नेक्स्ट इज MPC इज 0.5, MPC कितना है 0.5। हाउ मच एडिशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड, कितनी एडिशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट की जो है वो ज़रूरत होगी। इफ़ रिक्वायर्ड टू इंक्रीज इनकम बाय 600 करोड़, अगर इनकम जो है वो कितनी हो गई 600 करोड़ से इंक्रीज हो गई, तो आपको क्या निकालना है, कितनी इन्वेस्टमेंट की जो है वो क्या है ज़रूरत है। तो लेट अस स्टार्ट। MPC इज इक्वल टू 0.75 and K you have to find. Then income increase by, income कितने से increase हो गई, that is increase by rupees 600. तो let us start. K is equal to 1 upon में 1 minus MPC, that is 1 upon 1 minus MPC. It means what it will be, 0.25 multiply 100, this will be 1 and 4. The value of K is equal to 4. So K is equal to delta Y upon delta I. So K it will be 4, delta Y, income कितने से increase हुई 600 करोड़, तो K formula is delta Y upon delta I. This is a delta means change in. So let us start. Delta 4 I have, delta y means change in income, that is 600 crore. It means how much it is invested, it means 150 rupees or crore if it is given, it will be invested. Okay beta, now what you have to do, one more question I have, find MPC when investment multiplier is equal to 1. आपको क्या करना है, find the value of MPC, आपको MPC की वैल्यू जो है वो find करनी है when investment multiplier is equal to 1. Find the value of MPC when investment multiplier is equal to 1. So let us start. We know this thing, K is equal to 1 upon में 1 minus MPC, K value I will put 1 upon में 1 minus MPC. So 1 minus MPC is equal to 1. So how I will get the value of MPC is equal to, you will get MPC value, you will get that is equal to 0. तो it means when K is equal to 1, जब K की वैल्यू क्या है 1 है, तो what it will be, क्या होगा, जो इसकी वैल्यू है वो क्या आ जाएगी 0 आ जाएगी. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन I will start now. If last question of this chapter, when MPC and MPS are equal, अगर MPC और MPS क्या है equal हैं, MPC is equal to MPS, अगर दोनों क्या है बराबर हैं, we know this thing, हमें ये चीज़ पता है, the value of MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. If these are equal, अगर ये क्या है बराबर हैं, तो what it will be the value, इसकी वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी 0.5, because we know this thing कि MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. If these are equal, अगर ये क्या है equal हैं, तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 0.5. Thank you beta, thank you so much. If you are facing any problem, you can take your problem on WhatsApp. I will send you the PDF and you have to solve the unsolved question. Thank you beta.